Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Valentina. Thank you very much for stopping by. This channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, and sometimes skincare. So if that is something that may interest you, please consider subscribing. Today's video is gonna be a sort of a get ready with me, and I'm gonna do a makeup for a wedding guest because we've been invited last minute to a wedding. And because the wedding is being moved because of COVID, I decided to do a sort of a mini tryout for a makeup, so I know what I'm gonna do on the day, because then we have to take the train and it's an hour away and the wedding is in the morning. So I have to know what I have to do. I have to know the products that I'm gonna use. Otherwise I'm gonna panic on the day. Because I have a few things to do later today, I'm gonna put my makeup on. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna prime, but I'm gonna prime just basically my T-zone, because I'm gonna be out the whole day. I have just a little clutch. I can't bring a lot of stuff, so I don't want to have the thing that I have to worry about touching up my makeup. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Baby Skin, and I'm literally pressing. This is the first day where I'm actually putting a full face of makeup. I'm gonna do my base. If you haven't seen my video how to cover the acne, I'm gonna leave the link up here. I'm using the Makeup Forever Full Cover Extreme Camouflage Cream, and this one is waterproof, and with this one I'm gonna target the pimples. So you see here and here, and you know, all of the hyperpigmentation that I have around my face. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. I do like this foundation because it covers, but it doesn't feel very heavy on the skin. I go with my sponge, and I start from the center of the face. I'm doing my foundation first because the eyeshadows are not gonna fall out. There's not gonna be any fallout from the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do eyebrows first. I'm using the Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil. And I know that there's many girls that think that eyebrows are not important, but eyebrows are really the frame of your eye. That's why it's important to fill in your eyebrows. Maybe you don't want to do it, but do it once and you will see the difference. For the eyes, I decided to go with this palette, and I decided to go with this one because it has very nice and soft nude colors. I'm gonna wear a purple dress, so I think these colors are gonna look quite nice. I'm gonna start with building my crease. I'm gonna start with this warm brown. And I'm not gonna do anything crazy with the shape of my eye either. Whatever correction I have to do to the outer corner, I'm gonna do it afterwards with the concealer. On my lid, I'm gonna put this color here, a sort of a purple taupey shimmery eyeshadow. I was thinking about cutting the crease, and then I changed my mind. Actually, you know what I'm gonna use? A brush. I'm gonna use a bit of setting spray. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 15 Minutes. Oh, very nice. I'm really pressing on the lid. I wanted to start doing reviews of products again, because I feel like I haven't done a proper review in forever, but there's been so many launches, it's really overwhelming. So just let me know, what would you like for me to review? Whatever you would like to see, leave it to me in the comment down below. To darken up the outer corner, I'm using this purple, and I think I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this brown. I'm really focusing on the outer third, and I'm taking the first brush that I use for my crease and I blend the edges like so, because I still want that little bit of warmth coming through. For concealer, I'm mixing the NYX One Stop Non-Stop and the Tarte Shape Tape. This is the NYX and it's a more peachy one, and I'm putting a touch on the side of the nose as well. Really just a couple of dots of the Shape Tape. I'm not a fan of excessive concealer. I think it's unnecessary. The more concealer you put, at one point your concealer will have to go somewhere. It will go in the lines that you have under your eye. That is inevitable. Laura Mercier setting powder. It's just very nice, you know, it keeps everything nice and matte for a very long time. I think the powder is the only thing that I will be able to take because I've got the compact version of this one. And I have it on purpose because this is the one that I did use on my wedding day as well. Then I'm taking the Nu Skin Moisture Mist. This one I'm gonna spray now so I have the powder melting properly into the skin. I still want my face to look luminous. I'm gonna do eyeliner and I'm gonna be right back. Eyeliner is on. I use the Clinique gel liner. I think tomorrow I'm gonna use the pen because with the pen is a bit quicker. I'm gonna finish the under eye. I'm taking the brown that I use for the crease. I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm doing the mixture of purple and brown. I'm basically going all the way in. I'm just leaving the tear duct area. I'm taking another pencil brush. This color here, this sort of a champagne color, and that is gonna go in the inner corner and under my eyebrow. As a bronzer, I'm using the L'Oreal Back to Bronze. So I'm really like pressing and blending across the nose, the chin, the jaw, and down the neck. For blush, I'm taking the Primark Face palette. This one I used it in my Primark full face of Primark. I'm mixing the two blushes. I hit the apple of the cheek and then I blend towards the bronzer. So I blend the two together. I'm taking the highlighter and I'm taking the Maybelline Chrome Face Studio Chrome Extreme, and this is in the color Sandstone Shimmer. I want to see it, but I don't want it to be crazy. I'm going again with the Moisture Mist. I'm gonna line my lips and I'm using the Morphe Makeup Talk Lip Liner. And then I'm taking my lipstick. This is the Lisa Eldridge Velvet Fawn. I'm using the Essence Extreme Volume Mascara. And this is it for today's video, guys. What I do propose for a wedding guest makeup. I think it's very nice. It's subtle, it's a bit dreamy, you know. At the end of the day, it's a wedding. This is what I'm gonna do for myself on Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the little bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new video once a week. I do apologize I didn't upload anything last week, but the heat was really like too much to handle. I had a video planned out. I ended up like I really wanted to do it, but then like we had the fan broken, so even being in front of the camera with no makeup, I was sweating like crazy. I hope you guys are gonna have a great day, and I'll see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye.